Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinoyalam berkit khod jong ka Green Tech Foundation kila kentai ya ka jing khod jong Deputy Commissioner ka Ripoy District syakami jinga kren da ka baong ba Deputy Commissioner dan bor satya ban pendamno ya ka jinga soy ya ka soskular Nomor ba ya ka soskular ban IT ya ka Dolenong Lumpong Deng na ya soy hapadeng ka Director jong ka Tanat Tourism bat ka Umyam Private Limited. Kidkhot jong ka foundation kibala pen inia bat register kila kentho ru ba balai Deputy Commissioner ka Ripoy District undang kendithia anda kidkhot jong ka foundation kila ra plakat hakapat sekretariat kat ba umshim lakhot ya keren satya wat hadian ba ka foundation kala dab ban IT da ka jingtho na du arta yaw menshwa na kalyang kidkhot jong ka foundation kila yai ban ba ka ni ka jingkren ka dei ban long bench bat menteri rang ba ka jalla handrai bat kinu ki officer.
Sir, we have worked with you, you know us. We are not alien to you anymore also. But don't allow yourself, they are controlling everybody. Even in this land out here, Lumpong Deng Island, they are trying to manipulate for the gain of somebody. Don't allow. You have a very prestigious office. Live up to that office and do not allow yourself to be controlled. That is our message to Ripoy District.
Most of the officer of different department, they know Green Tech, who we are, what we are doing, and in what field we are working. So please don't allow yourself to be controlled by this politician. Please. He can cancel this project at Lumpong Deng Island, then we will go and talk to him. Unless and until he can't do like that.
When it comes to the Deputy Commissioner, Professor Margaret kaya kini project Lumpong Deng. Klaim prinsip wadi kisnong di bawah marjan. Ong bagade ke Jakarta ke Sarkar. Diminta pipi ong kinong kumno. Katakan long ngangatip ngamnung argue buat film kata mesti
DC nong ko kapan kendo ini lah saya tidak itu dia mereka mentang mereka kendo ni dan kita stakeholder international
you please
send this message.
Just one message to him. No, that is not possible. Okay, and one thing I will tell you, the agreement which signed between the Umyam Private Limited, not IHCL more, it is between the director of the tourism department. More. Why DC? He have no authority. He
is the GM of the district.
But he can't cancel the project. No.
You have you can communicate with him first.
No. Harry, from the beginning I already told you that.
You take this with the Chief Minister level and the Tourism Minister level.
You have taken this matter.
No. Pai pa menta kisdang man nyat si kisunong mo. Nganong ngaya pi kani ka jaka ha Lumpong Deng hapo jong kapadang Umyam. Umdei te jungno. Jung upai pa baro jong kinong sunong. Ano mo aban simray mano. Ngihap ray lang. Wadang ngidey pan ay num ay ngihapan ray lang kung the public opinion. Not at any level, not at DC level, not at any level. Please. This is not our first issue more. We have experience. We have a lot of experience. We have so many times we met the DC Ripoy, discussed so many things. Not possible at his level. No, please. I respect you, sir.
And it's not just I understand you brought the message to us. Yes.
Thank you so much.
You brought the message to us. We are grateful to you for bringing that message. But our response is that
just send that message that no, that's not
I
possible.
will let them know how you feel.
Yes.
But what I'm trying to say is that at the district level, it will not just be like that. You will be able to meet the other stakeholders in this matter, right? Like
But
it's important that kami kadi ke issue ke jangan ada so let's first
Kum kani aswa bangilai DC aswa bangilai ngilai itu Tourism Minister itu lai hari ini para pagilate ngilai itu Tourism Minister
Amin suat kawi kata mo. Menin kiu inem ka protes jungi yang tu polum yang polum Pongdeng Island tot. Kiu itu kidai kis longsong senong nak tu ke area Kelangkang.
kendo officially no.
Ini itu Sarkar.
Nila ada pak city jadi DC. Nila ada pak petition siya hakimi.
Kendo.
Lada bis.
Then whatever you discuss will be in the minutes and then accordingly it will go along.
See, I will tell you ma. Lada kisim serious issue artayo menswa haba kapoy ka petition. Lada iban calling. Lada iban hot kami ke jingkren. Minta hendak lalong bumi bisa sedang korek kita. Kan nomlong te kumta.
Don't allow that to stop the
No.
We've decided
discussion.
We know what we are doing there.
Just carry forward that message that
we know, not from our side. Not at the DC level.
And plus, if you're talking about stakeholders, the land holding out there is at DDC, is here in Shillong. And DDC is here in Shillong, not in
See,
Dubai. So just that's
see. I already told you, sir. You are not the right person to argue with related to the Umyam issue. Just send a message to district Deputy Commissioner Riboy District that the Green Tech have sent a message to you. No means no, not at your level. Okay. You don't come and do your minister, chief minister.
the agreement has been signed at the cabinet level. You want to
Response ko lang very unofficial na kadang naging and plus meaning lapat ng sisi jadi kita ke sarkar kita berespon ke sisi ini kami supaya ba kay lam bakla jadi kato sang kay lam bakla bat ka kalayalan apa deng ka jadi ko jangka bat ka agreement kepada side Commissioner Secretary di Balearan